funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and this is video number... So today I wanted to do an unboxing and try. I didn't know what was going to be in my Boxycharm this month. Most of the month I'm always like looking at the sneak peeks, and I didn't even do that. I had no idea what was going to be in my box, and I pretty much used everything with the exception of one product. But if you want to see how I created this look and the products that I use, keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to like. And again, I will be uploading every day this month, and you don't want to miss it, so make sure to turn on your post notifications and so. But anyways, keep on watching.
They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
So I'm just going to, and I'm gonna go heavy. I'm gonna go kind of heavy here because I'm going to finish off the eyes, and I don't want my base to... Actually, it's looking really nice. Like, the first thing I look at is like these tiny pores around here. You can look at that and tell immediately if it's going to cake or not. When it's nice and smooth, that means the powder is nicely set in your concealer. Some of them just sit on top and make everything look worse. This lip liner is rough. This is the lip liner that came in the Boxycharm and is Bodyography. I'm gonna warm it up in my hands, because sometimes, you know, in the packaging, I'm actually gonna sharpen it too, because it's really rough. So I'm gonna give it a chance. Let's see if that helps. Ow, it's really rough. The color is very pretty, you guys, but this is never going to touch my lips again. It's so rough. And this one is in the color Strike Gold. Should I put lipstick on? Let me put it by itself. I want to see how it looks. Oh, I like that. I'm usually not a fan of like glittery lips, but some colors do it to me. Okay. So this is the finished face look. Okay, so from these three products that I used, the setting powder, so far so good. It's been probably 2, maybe 3 hours since I started my makeup, and it looks really nice. So this was definitely a great product. The lip liner, you guys, it's no bueno. It's too hard. I sharpened it, I warmed it up, but it's really hard. So I don't have time for this. So it's not going to get used again. And the lip paint is beautiful. I actually very much love it. I'm using it here by itself, but you'll be seeing it more. And now this is starting to smell like it's hot.
Push it forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
You know that smell? I want to just test out a little piece. Let's see. Ooh. It gets really hot. You can... Yeah, okay. Because I don't like to flat iron my whole hair, like my whole head. But sometimes, you know, like those little pieces, you can't get that close with your brush to flatten it. And I think this would be like the perfect tool to have to do that. I loved everything that came in my Boxycharm with the exception of the lipstick, but it's still such a great value. I mean, this is how much I pay, and this is how much is in the box. If you like only one thing in the whole box, is still usually more than what you paid for. This I'm going to actually try this as well today when I remove my makeup. I'll talk about this one alone on my story, so make sure that you are subscribed. This is my Instagram handle, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. So worth it. Make sure this is plugged in. I just noticed the I'm making sure that the microphone is plugged in. Is it? Can I tell? I don't know if I can tell. Hello. If I can curl my hair. Okay, it's pretty hot. I don't know how to curl my hair. I just realized that. Watching, and again, don't forget to turn on the post notifications, guys, because I don't want you to. Why am I talking in that accent? I don't know. I have to check myself, you guys, but keep on watching.